Element is what? Element which is made up of a same type of atoms. Okay, a substance of gold. If I break down, it's made up of what? Full of carbon. If I take a gold, it is made up of what? Full of gold atom. So now you say what is molecule now? Molecule andre ಏನಾಗುತ್ತ್ರಿ? So give an answer. What is molecule? Okay. Molecule. What is molecule? Only molecule. No molecular element or no molecular of compound. Made up of 2 or 3 similar different types of atom. Okay, very good. Right definition. Means that is right. Okay, so see this. Okay, so third is what? Okay, third is okay, molecule. Okay, molecule. Okay, what does that molecule means? Okay, a substance. Okay, substance made up of 2 or more same or different type of atoms. A substance made up of 2 or more same or different type of atoms. Andra artha, for example, so just see. If I take a first type, the molecular element. So what is that molecular element? A substance, okay, made up of same type of atoms, sorry, I am writing again same definition. You can say better. Combination of same type of atoms. Simple definition. Artha enappa andre simple. If I have oxygen, okay, oxygen in an environment, it always I will get it in the form of what? O2. Means if it's oxygen gas, I'll get it in this form. See, O like this in a combined form. If I say this is also O atom, this is also what? O atom. Artha ಏನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ? So always I'll get it in what? Combined form of O2. Means 2O will combine. And like this substance, okay, like this atoms, if I get a combination of same type of atoms, see, a combination is there, a same type of this, I can say it is oxygen molecule. I can say it is oxygen molecule. Means it is in the combined form, right? It is in the combined form. So this type of a substance I will call as molecular element. Note it, simple color. So first we studied what? Atom andre enappa, it is smallest particle of any substance. So this is atom, right? Next we studied what is element. Element means a substance which is made up of a same kind of atoms. Okay, molecular andre enappa, combination of atoms ankondi. Okay, it is a combination of atoms ankondi. If it is a combination of same element, note it, ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಂಬೈಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ಸಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ molecule. Okay, and these type of substance I will say what molecular element. If I take what is molecular compound, sorry, okay, this is what molecular element. This is this one. This is called as molecular element. Okay, compound. Okay, what is molecular compound? If same way, okay, a combination of different, okay, different type of atoms is called what? Sorry, molecular compound. Okay, we'll take example of salt, table salt. It is what? NaCl, a familiar example. Means what happens? NaCl means what? If I take a salt, what happens? So there is a two different types of atoms will be there. Red is what? Cl, and black is what? Na. Black is what? Na. This is what? Na. This is what? Na. This type of group, this type of molecule, I will say it's what? Molecular compound. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಓಕೆ, then finally we discuss what is compound. We'll discuss what is compound. Means a compound is what? Means a collective of molecular element or collective of molecular compound. Okay, so ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಹೇಳತ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ collective of molecular element. For example, we taken O2 as a oxygen, right? O2 means what? 1O combination. What is that? It is only a molecular element. Okay, if I get the combination collective ಇಂತ ಬಾಳ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ? Now I will say it is a compound. I will say what is a compound. Okay, so if I take NaCl, what is that? Na and plus Cl, right? Means two types of atom. One is Na and this is what? Cl. Only one molecule is called as what? Molecular compound. If collectively ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ್ರಿ? So if I take one compound, means what? It is a collection. This collection is called as what? A compound. It is called as what? Compound. This is what? A compound. Understood? Okay, one second. Okay, okay, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ. ಅಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಇಂದ ಸರ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, So any matter you take, okay, ಏನೇ ವಸ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, it is made up of what? Matter. So matter, anything is made up of matter. That matter is made up of what? A tiny particle is called as atom. Understood? Correct? So atom means what? It is a purest form. Okay, so it can't be break also. It not can be break. Okay, I know that there are several types of atoms. 100 plus atoms are there. I have what? 100 plus atoms are there. So if I take one type of atom, for example, you take hydrogen. If a hydrogen mix and it makes an, we say it is an element. If hydrogen combines with the hydrogen combines with the hydrogen, so it creates one substance. That is what hydrogen gas. That is what the hydrogen, I can say that is hydrogen element. A combination of a same type of atom, I can say it is a element. Okay, that's what element. Okay, so a combination of a same type of element, as a combination of same types of atom is called as element. If that sometimes in the universe we not get H as pure. Okay, oxygen and sigutta, I will get it in the form of OO. That is what O2. I'll get it in the form of what? O2. Correct? That O2 is what? Is a molecule, but of a same type. So we said the molecule of a same element is called as what? Molecular element. Molecular element. Okay, molecular is the combination of two atoms or two or more atoms. Correct? So that is what molecular element. If group of molecular element creates what? Molecule, say it becomes compound. It becomes compound. Same molecular compound means what? Okay, molecular compound, it's made up of two different atoms. For example, Na is different atom, Cl is a different atom. Combined together, it becomes one molecule. That is what molecular compound. Hinta mat balak seridre énagutte, it becomes a compound. Compound is made up of what? Compound is what? Combination of anything. Okay, combination of a molecule, I can say. Combination of a means collective of a molecules is called as what? Compound. Okay, na? So once we understood this, okay, so this already you studied in 9th. Okay, na? So again, what you studied in the 9th, if you see, this is your chapter. Okay, just look at, so what you studied. So we studied two laws, that is laws of conservation of mass. That's what is that laws of conservation of mass means. Okay, no need to explain everything. Okay, see, law of conservation of mass state that mass neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. So this is what a first point you discuss. So what does that mean? That means that whenever you do chemical reaction, if I put 1 gram of salt and 2 gram of water, what I'll get? I'll get 3 gram of salt water. 3 gram of salt water. Here, salt and water is said as reactants, because this both together will react, right? This both together, it will react. Okay, so it's called as reactant. 1 gram of salt, 2 gram of water. If I mixed, so I'll get what? 3 gram of product. That is what? A salt water. Correct? So that is laws of conservation of mass. When I do the reaction, mass neither be created. Hosadenu create agala mass. Amal iddid mass loss agala. Means it will convert. That is what see. The law of conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Okay, na? That is what one is there. Okay. So next, laws of constant proportion means andre enapa, in a chemical substance, the elements are always present in a definite proportion by mass. Definite proportion by mass. See, in a chemical substance, elements and word use madidare. So just keep it in mind. The elements are always present in a definite proportions. Okay, for example, water on the tholder. You'll note. So see this. In a compound such as water is a compound. The ratio of mass of hydrogen to the mass of oxygen is always 1:8. Andre artha, whenever a source of water, thus if I take 9 gram of water, decompose andre adana bere madana, if I make it separate, I'll get 1 gram of hydrogen and 8 gram of oxygen. Okay, so means that whatever you see it in the universe, any means compound. Okay, so water. Okay, America go through 1:8. Okay, 1:8. If you come India also, that is 1:8. Means once a compound is formed, their mass elemental means what is the formula of H2? What is the water? H2O. H2O. If you take, okay, what is the molecular mass of hydrogen? 1. Molecular mass of hydrogen is what? 1. Correct? What is the molecular mass of oxygen? Is 16. Molecular mass is what? 16. Correct? The mass of hydrogen is what? 1. The mass of oxygen is what? 16. Okay. So, but yes to hydrogen kundurtari. 2 hydrogen. H2O. H2O. Correct? So it is 2 gram and it is what? Okay. So 8 plus 8 is what? 16 gram. Oxygen is what? 16 gram. So 1 ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕುಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ? Okay. It will react with what? 8. So that's the ratio is what? 2 by 16 means what? 1:8. 1:8. So that means combination will be always in the, okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನಾದ್ರು ವಾಟರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕ್ಸಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. You can't say oxygen ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕ್ಸಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನಂಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಂತಂದ you can not increase the oxygen value and the H value has down. Means always chemical compounds are made with the pakka mass proportion. Okay, for example NaCl. Okay, it is also was proportion. That is what 2 laws. First law is what? The, okay, in a chemical reaction neither mass created or not destroyed. And second one, in a chemical substance the element of a mass, okay, with the made up of a definite proportion. If you are done first 2 points kalte. Correct? Next, what you studied? Okay, you studied about what? Dalton. So Dalton given some, according to Dalton atomic theory, all the matter, whether an element or a compound or a mixture, is composed of small particle called as atom. Okay, this postulates of this theory may be stated as follows. So this is the points is given by Dalton. So what is the first point? All matter is made up of every tiny particle called as atom. Namagu gottu. And which participate in the chemical reaction. Yes, atoms will participate in the chemical reaction, and atoms are indivisible. Andre atoms vadilikke agadilla, and which cannot be created and nor be destroyed. We can't create atom and even we can't destroy the atom also. Okay, atoms of a given elements are identical in mass and chemical properties. Andre nodri, atoms of a given element andre purest form antanu karibo. That is what I said. Atoms, elements, both they will take it as common. Okay, are identical in a mass and chemical properties. Andra I told, right, there are 100 plus of atoms. There are 100 plus of atom. 100 atoms kuda enirtappa andre chemically they are different. Chemically they are different and the mass is also different. Mass is also different. For example, na togobekappa andre, okay, this is a plastic and this is a what we called paper. It's a material of paper. Both are what? It is a matter. Both are what? Matter. This matter is made up of a different atom and this matter is made up of a different atom. Correct? So it means what? If I touch, I will feel different. If I touch over, I will feel different. Why I am getting? Because of a made up of different atom which have a different chemical property. Which have different chemical property and weight is also varies. Means whichever atom andre atom olaga 100 variety ado, a 100 variety henge adappa andre wo sab jaisa hai ki uska chemical characters alag alag ek tarah se same nahi rehta. Means gold idang silver irodilla. Okay, it's not similar of gold like silver. No, it is not same. All are different. All are different. Not only the chemical is different, also their mass is also different. Point kaltri. Okay, so next is what? Atoms of different elements have a different mass and chemical properties. The atoms combines in the ratio of a small whole numbers to form compounds. See, one example is like this. Means 1 gram of hydrogen mixed with the 8 gram of oxygen. Okay, and see ammonia NH3. Okay, Okay, ammonia, that is what NH3. So it's always in the presence in the ratio of what? Okay, 14:3. 14:3 by the mass, whatever the method or source which you obtain. Yeah, idrologunu madri ನೀವು. When it forms ammonia andra, definitely it is in the proportion of what? 14:3. 14:3. And the relative number or kinds of atoms are constant in the given compound. Okay, so this relative number is not necessary for this year. Relative number ಅಂದ್ರೆ relative mass ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, so once you studied about atom, so where you studied about again details about what is atom and what is a symbolical representation, that is not important for us. And you studied what atomic mass, and important for me is this one. You have to remember this all symbols: aluminum Al, argon Ar, barium Ba, boron B, bromine Br. Okay, this table has to be there in your notes. Okay, na idana ನೀವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. Okay, because this is very very important for the this topic, that is what 10th topic, that is chemical equation and reaction, the symbols. So once you studied symbols, so what you studied in 9th again, you studied about atomic mass of a few elements. Atomic mass of a few elements. Okay, so what is atomic mass? Can anyone define what is atomic mass? Yesterday I told to read your textbook of your previous year. What is atomic mass? The mass of an atom, ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ textbook ಒಳಗೆ ಅದಾವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. The mass of an atom of a chemical element expressed as a ಅಂದ್ರೆ for example hydrogen atom ಒಳಗೆ ಅದರ weight ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? That's atomic mass unit. So then what about, okay, what about oxygen? We'll say oxygen is 16. The mass of an atom, that chemical element expressed in the atomic mass unit. Okay. Okay, answer same, right? My 3s and Siddharth. Okay, so next, so andre ellidaga, okay, yado ಒಂದು atom ಗೊಂದು mass ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, weight ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, the number of protons and neutrons in the atoms, no, that is not the right definition, Aishwarya. So atomic mass unit is different, atomic number and atomic mass number is different. Nodri, ಮೂರು definition ಇರ್ತಾವ. Okay, atomic number is different, atomic mass number is different, mass number is different, atomic mass unit is different. Okay, Aishwarya. Okay, I am asking atomic mass unit. Okay, this atomic number and atomic mass number, they'll simply, we will say it is by number, right? Atomic number will say what is the number of protons, and this atomic mass number, okay, we will say what, a number of atoms plus number of protons. But atomic mass unit is different. Atomic mass unit is different. It is measured in terms of grams. Measured in terms of what? Grams. Okay, na? So what is that? The mass of an atom of a chemical element. That is what atomic mass unit. Adan heng ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ? They will take what? Relative mass. They will take it as what? Relative mass. Relative mass ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು atom weight ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುಂದ್ರಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So what they taken a relative mass. Relative mass ಅಂದ್ರೆ see over here. See this line. However, in 1961, the university accepted the atomic mass unit. The carbon-12 isotope, okay, was chosen as a standard reference for measuring atomic masses. One atomic mass unit is a mass unit is equal to the exactly 1/12 of the mass of one atom of an carbon. The relative atomic mass of all elements have been found with respect to the atom of carbon-12. Okay, carbon-12. Andre artha, if hydrogen 1 andre artha enri artha? Okay, what is that hydrogen means? 1 andre hydrogen unit 1 antandre carbon ಒಳಗೆ total how many protons and electron? Atomic mass number is what? 12. Atomic mass number is what? 12. edike 12 andre 6 protons 6 neutrons carbon carbon has what? 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Okay, so it is 12. So hydrogen 1 appa antandre So carbon atoms, carbon 12 ಒಳಗ, okay, the carbon 12 ಒಳಗ one carbon ಎಷ್ಟು weight ಇರುತ್ತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅದ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is what you did a fruit example, right? ನೋಡ್ರಿಲ್ಲ, okay, ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಮೆಲನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, we will cut it by 12 piece, okay, one piece, okay, so 2 apple ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 piece, okay, so ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 apple ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 piece ಅಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, okay, 10 apple ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is like what 5, it's like what 5. The same way we represent like this. Hydrogen 1, carbon ಎಷ್ಟು atomic mass unit 1, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು 1/12 ಏನ್ರೆ hydrogen mass, 1/12 what is it is hydrogen mass, means this is called as relative atomic mass. Okay, so this you have to study, but it is not that much helpful for our 10th. Okay, just go through, if you have doubt you can ask, okay na? How do, that is what molecule we discussed, molecular of element. Okay, see the molecular element, they given what monoatomic, diatomic. Why it is monoatomic? Why? Because argon is made up of same type of element, the helium is also made up of helium atom, so it is what monoatomic element. Oxygen is what always I'll get it in form of O2, so it is diatomic. Hydrogen H2, nitrogen N2, chlorine Cl2, phosphorus tetra means what, okay, 4, sulfur means poly, one time I'll get what S3, S4, S2, S3, anything, so I used word called as polyatomic. Okay, see the what is a molecule of compound, molecule of a compound, see S2O, S2O, okay. So what is that? Compound, molecule of a compound. S2 is what? Molecule. O is a molecule, means are two different types of molecule, if add it creates what? Compound. It creates what? A compound. Molecular molecules of compounds, and the ratio of mass, so they get, that is given, and they, how they calculated, that is also given. See the ratio by their mass. Okay, so atomic mass unit is what? 1, and atomic mass unit of oxygen is what? 16. Atomic mass is what? 16. If you take 8 by 16, it is what? 1:2. 1:2. Okay, that is what 2:1 also you can say. And very, very important is what is ion? What is ion? Okay, this is what most important part for us in this particular chapter. So compound composed of metals and non-metals containing charged species. The charged species are known as ions. Charged species are called as what? Ions. Ions may consist of single charged atom or a group of atoms, they have a net charge on them. An ion can be negatively or positively charged, and negatively charged ions are called as what? Anions. Negatively charged ions are called as what? Anions, and the positively charged ions are called as what? Cation. Okay, take for example sodium. Okay, sodium, okay, NaCl, it's a consist of particle positively charged sodium ion Na plus and negatively charged chloride ions, that is Cl minus, a group of atom carrying a charge known as polyatom ions. So this is what is very, very important table. This is what very, very important table. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ವೇದ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, just look at, so NaCl ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ O2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. O2, why it forms O2? ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ O ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ರಿ ನನಗೆ? Why not O only I got? Only O and not got. Why? ಎದಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, O2. Okay, what is, okay, atomic, let's say what's elemental number? O2. Okay, what is that? O2, 16, right? It is what? 16. 16 or 8? Oxygen is what? Atomic number 8. Atomic number is what? 8. Means if there is a nucleus, and there is an orbit, K, L, M. Okay, so 8 means I can write like this, K shell 2 electron, and L shell there's a 6 electron. Actual capacity is 2 and actual capacity is what? 8. Correct? So what happens? 2 electrons in the first shell and 6 electrons in the second shell. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 positions are what? Vacant. 2 positions are what? Vacant. So if only O is there, I will say this is unstable atom. Unstable atom. Unstable yakandre ina 2 jaga khali ada. Still I have what? 2 places are vacant. 2 places are called as what? Vacant. Correct? So if another oxygen is there, same type. 2 electrons are there. So illu another. Okay. So here also what? 2 electrons are what? Vacant. Okay. So total, if I combine together, what happens? If I combine together, note ille 4 jagada, 2 plus 1 2. Okay. 1 2. Total 4 places are what? Vacant. If 4 places are vacant. Okay. So I will fill with this electrons. Means ಎರಡು ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ combined ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. Combined ಆಗಿ it forms what? O2. It makes it stable. It becomes what? Stable. Combined ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ? It becomes what? Stable ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. It becomes what? Stable. Okay. So how many shells are there? There are, okay, there are a lot of shells are there, but actually for your syllabus KLMN. So only 4 shell we will discuss. So still it is there, but it's not there for your syllabus. Only KLMN shell we will discuss. Correct? Understood? Okay. In the same way, Na and Cl. Na and Cl. See this. What they say? Na and Cl. See, if you see, a positive ions means what? A donor. Cl is what? Is a acceptor, minus. Okay. That's what cation and anion. Cation and anion. So like this, when this combination makes for Na plus Cl minus, means what? It indicates Na has excess amount of electron and Cl has less electron. Means if Na, if I taken 1 electron ಜಾಸ್ತಿ adri, it has 1 electron extra. If it donate, it becomes stable. It becomes what? Stable. Cl. Okay, Cl. Okay, if I take simple Cl, 1 electron is deficiency. It is what? It has deficiency. Okay, it want 1 electron. Ignore it. Na another. Na has what? Sir, then SPDF. That is called as subshell. Those are called as what? SPDF are called as subshells. These are orbit. Okay, so these are main orbit. They are called as subshells. Okay, na? So Na ನೋಡ್ರಿ NaCl. NaCl ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? Na ಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? 1 electron extra ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So extra ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ is what? 1 electron. It has to donate a electron. 1 electron. It becomes stable. Cl ಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? It needs 1 electrons to become stable. So what? ಎರಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಮಾತುಕತೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ Na will give the electron and Cl will receive the electron. So it forms a compound called as NaCl. It forms a compound called as NaCl. That is what equation is what? NaCl. NaCl. Okay, na? See this table. 1. If Mg if want to add, Mg ಏನೈತ್ರಿ? It needs what? It has 2 extra. 2 plus or artha andre it has 2 electrons extra. It has to donate. Okay, if I make a reaction with Mg and Cl, magnesium plus Cl anta baradra, it is not the right way, because magnesium which have what? 2 electrons extra, but chlorine has only 1. It will take only 1. It will take 1. Then how many chlorine I need? I need 2. So you will see Mg Mgcl2. Mgcl2. This type of bonding is called as what? Ionic bonding. This type of bonding is called as what? Ionic bonding. This is what chemical reaction happens. Chemical reaction and then it becomes combined by sharing of electrons or donating and receiving of electrons. Okay, na? This is how your reaction happens. That is what this table is very, very important. Whenever you got, okay, S2SO4, okay, better not that one. HCl, you studied, right? HCl, okay. See, hydrogen have one extra ions, correct? Cl will ready to take one electron, so it combines to form what? HCl. It combined to form what? HCl. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೇನೆ. Why I got HCl, why I got H2SO4, means why I got only H2SO4. When it make a combined, if you see sulfur, where is sulfur is what? -2. Okay, sulfur is what? -2. H is what? Okay, H has two type. Okay, one H will have plus ions, other H will have minus ions also, both it will have. Okay, O4. Okay, O4 means what? How much oxygen have? If you see oxygen, where is oxygen? Oxygen is, oxygen is what? -2. Oxygen is what? -2. Oxygen is what? -2. So this combination will happen H2SO4. Means what? By sharing of electron. By sharing of electron. Okay, I'll get this combination. I'll get this combination. So it is somewhat difficult. You better take this one example. HCl. H has what? 1 plus ion. Cl has what? 1. It need 1 and it will donate 1. So combined together becomes what? HCl. This is how the chemical reaction will happen. This is how the chemical reaction will happen. So this table also, not to remember, just go through it. Okay, just go through it. Okay, and these are also called as what? Valency electrons. So that is what is the electrons needed in the outermost shell. So that is what you discussed in here. See, formula of a simple compound HCl. Why HCl? H has what? Valence of 1. Okay, Cl is what? Valence of 1. So 1 to 1 it becomes HCl. Okay, and this is what? A positive ion. This is negative ion. Same. H is what? 1 and sulfur is what? 2. So I need what? H2S, because H n kodadadri, it will donate what? 2. S will take what? It needs 2. So how many hydrogen I need? 2 hydrogen I need to donate this H2S to form H2S. This Al2O3. Al2O3. See, Al has what? Plus 3 ion. Okay, plus 3. Al2O3 formula bartala. Al2O3. Why it is formed? Why? Because if you take Al separately, okay, Al separately, just see this table. Al is a positive ion cation. See, it is what? Al plus 3. Plus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? It has 3 extra ions ಅದಾವ ಅದರ ಕಡೆ, 3 extra valence electrons ಅದಾವ. If you take oxygen, okay, if you look at oxygen has -2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it needs 2 electrons. ಇವೆರಡರದು ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನಾನು? I need a combination. If Al2 becomes what? 2 Al ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? I'll get 6 electrons extra. Okay, if 2 electrons extra. If O3 means what? Again I will what? 6 electrons. Okay, ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ 2 electrons ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 3ಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕೋರು? 6 electrons ಹಾಕೋದ್ರ need. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ, if I combine, it will combine, right? Because it will donate 6 electron, it will accept this electron. So the formula is what? Al2O3. Al2O3. Okay, understood? Anyone have doubt? It is interesting. Are you getting bored? Right, it is not bored, right? Okay, so actually if you studied in ninth itself, it would have been good. Okay, no problem. So that is what that chapter is given. Okay, so today we not discuss anything about our chapter. We discussed only about what you discussed in the ninth chapter. Okay, see, that is what they given there. So now we understood what you studied in ninth. I hope so. So some example. Let's CA. You should try why it's only CA2O2. Why not it is CaO? So that type of question. So that is what. So that is what I told to go through this particular chapter, okay, of your ninth. Okay, the molecular mass and mole concept. That is not important for us right now. Today also you go through. I will send this a note. This topic is there, right? A soft copy I will send. I hope you everyone have the textbook. So please go through this. Sir, can you send all atomic mass, atomic number, valency, and charges, please, sir? Maitri, it is a fourth chapter. You have the whole thing. You studied that there itself. Okay. If you have your 10th textbook, open your periodic table chapter. You will get all atomic mass and atomic number, valency, and everything. Okay. Yes, you have to make separate book for science also. Okay. So formula of unit mass, it is not that much important for us right now. That mole and everything. So important part is what? This ions and this one, the mass ratio and symbol. Okay, this symbol is very important. With this background, we will discuss our topic. Not even discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ very simple. ನಾನು ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅವತ್ತು atom ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Okay, next what is element ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Then what is molecular element and what is molecular compound ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Then what is a compound. Correct. Once if I know this, then what I discuss, what is ions, anions and cations. Then how, sir, we have to remember all those? No need. Just glance over it. Okay, na? So sometime it will help us. Okay, then we discuss what is this, what is where I left, ions. Then we also studied about atomic mass unit. Okay, previous, and then how Al2O3, that simple chemical formula, how it is made. Now we will deal with the chemical equation. That's what chemical reaction, and what are the types of chemical reactions. Okay, na? That is very important. Okay, I just brushed your previous year topics. Okay, tomorrow we will start exact syllabus of your chemistry. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this thing, basic things, you can ask the question. Otherwise, you can end your call. No doubt, right? Just go through your 9th textbook. Don't leave it. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಮ 9th textbook ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. Okay, I will send, don't worry.